Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Alia Modi.
Alia, you know what buyers are looking for these days? They basically want views. The most important thing, everybody wants views because they're stuck in their houses and they want something pretty to look at. And they want beautiful kitchen. They want an amazing family room where they can entertain. They want a nice master bedroom and bathroom. And guess what? I think this house is just perfect.
Absolutely, Eddie. This house has all that and much more with great schools too.
Exactly. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 1618 Heritage Bay Place. Nestled in the beautiful hills of Silver Creek Ranch Golf Course lies this elegant, airy and spacious home with breathtaking views of Evergreen Valley and the eastern foothills. Constructed over 2 levels, this generously proportioned 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath floor plan includes 2 master suites, both with large spa tubs that encourage relaxation after a long day's work. All the bedrooms come complete with custom walk-in closets to organize your wardrobe while maximizing storage. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's delight, and it incorporates a magnificent granite island with plenty of cabinet space and a huge pantry. The backyard makes for excellent entertaining or quiet reflections amongst your own private hilltop. Numerous upgrades extend from timeless crown moldings and baseboards, hardwood floors, and much more, adding the right touch of elegance and style. With its warm sense of community and only moments away from shops, restaurants, fitness centers, and transportation, this home provides all the elements for comfortable and easy living. Take a look.
Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you saw, it's such a gorgeous property, very tastefully done by the owner. And if you have any questions, and if you want to schedule any private showings, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.
Bye.